How to combine photos on iPhone. Want to combine multiple photos into one picture on your iPhone? You can create a photo collage or grid using the built-in Shortcuts app without downloading a third-party app. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap Library, then tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action or Search Actions, then search for Select Photos and add it. Turn on Select Multiple so you can choose more than one photo. Next, search for Combine Images and add that action. By default, the photos may be combined horizontally. Tap the Layout option and choose In a Grid to create a collage. You can also adjust the spacing if you want some space between your photos. Now, search for Save to Photo Album and add it below the Combine Images action. Your shortcut is now ready. Give it a name, such as Combine Photos, and save it. When you run the shortcut, select the photos you want to combine, then tap Add or the confirmation button. Your iPhone will automatically create the photo grid and save it to your Photos app. Also, keep in mind that the order in which you select the photos determines their placement in the final collage. And that's how to combine multiple photos into one picture on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.